I went to Walmart to put together a healthy grocery haul for under $30. This is everything you need to know before you shop at your local grocery store, whether it be Walmart or Target or your local supermarket. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go. Okay, so I went to the frozen section because that is one of my favorite places to shop when it comes to healthy food. And I want to start with the basics. So many people don't realize this, but you can find plain frozen vegetables without sauces or anything added here. So you're getting exactly what you pay for, which is just vegetables. Look at these broccoli florets. They look beautiful. We're going to get those. We're also going to get some cauliflower rice. It's pre-riced for you. You don't have to do it yourself. So let's throw that in the cart. Let's talk about reading labels really quickly. Most people think that all carbs are created equal, but that is not the case. When you look at the label, you want to make sure that the first ingredient listed is the actual vegetable. So the first ingredient in this is cauliflower. Then you want to look at the total carbohydrates and the sugar. So right here it says 12 grams of sugar. But if you look a little bit lower, it says 12 grams of total carbohydrates. And when those numbers are similar, you know that this vegetable has been processed. It's not as fresh as it could be. So instead of getting something like that, we're going to get something that's less processed. So I like these broccoli florets better because they have 4 grams of total carbs and 4 grams of sugar. Those numbers are very different, meaning that it's less processed. So we're going to put this in our cart and leave the other one behind. I like to stock up on canned tuna when it's on sale. So I saw these for $1. That is an amazing price. We're going to get 2 cans of tuna. I love wild caught. It's usually a little bit more expensive. So if you see it at a good price, I would grab it. I also grabbed a can of black beans. These are great to have on hand for burritos, for salads, for soups. Lots of different things that you can do with black beans. So we're going to throw that in the cart. I was looking for ground turkey and I couldn't find any. I only saw ground beef. So if you're looking to save money, ground beef is usually much cheaper than ground turkey. So we're going to get this 96% lean ground beef. We're also going to get some chicken thighs. Look at these. They're so beautiful. I didn't even have to touch them. They were perfectly stacked. So we're going to put those in our cart. So far, we VA only spent $15. That leaves me $15 for produce and a few other things. I wanted to grab some avocados. They're $1 each. That's a good price. I bought 2 of them. And then I got a bag of apples. I love having fruit as a snack. It's convenient and it's healthy. So let's throw that in our cart. The next thing that I grabbed was a sweet potato. While I was walking by the potatoes, I saw these baby Yukon Gold potatoes, and I thought, oh my gosh, these are perfect. So we're going to grab a bag of those. We're going to use those for like a side dish or maybe a potato salad. I walked past the cereal aisle and I almost grabbed some cashew cereal. But then I thought, no, we're trying to eat healthy here, so I didn't get that. Instead, I grabbed a box of oatmeal. Oatmeal is such a great grab for breakfast. You can eat it in the morning. You can meal prep some overnight oats. There's lots of things that you can do with oatmeal. It's definitely healthier than cereal. And lastly, I grabbed a bag of salad mix. This is great for salads throughout the week. At the end of my shopping trip, I realized that I had spent $27.48. And I have $27 to spend next time because I used a coupon. So I saved $28 off of my entire purchase. If you guys want to see what coupons I use, check out the video that's on screen now. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.